In order to install OpenOffice, first we need to unpack the software. In this example, I'm running the installer and cancelling it once all the software has been unpacked into the folder on the desktop. Now we can go into the Automation Manager console, we can click Resources, and under Type this time, we're going to select the Automation Manager resource package. Enter the optional name and comment, and under the Contents tab, click the Change button. Invoke Explorer, browse for the unpacked files, and simply drag and drop them into the window. Click OK, and OK again, and the resource will be committed to the data store. Go to Modules, click Add, enter a module name and optional description, under Tasks, click Add, and select Unattended Installation. Browse for the file name and look for setup.exe within the package. Use the quiet parameter and enter the security context that we're going to install with. Click OK to commit the change. Then right-click, Schedule Job. Under Who, select the devices that we'd like to install OpenOffice onto. Click OK, and OK to start the job. Under Current Activity, we can view the progress. When the job's completed, it will appear under Job Results. Now let's flip to a workstation and log on to check that the software has been successfully installed. Perfect, OpenOffice is there and ready for use.